Hey there, folks. It's David from Close IT, and today we'll discuss deleting a board in Jira. If you've ever found yourself grappling with deleting boards, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all Close IT things. First method, deleting a board from the Jira homepage. 1. Access your work in Jira. Begin by selecting the Your Work button at the top of the Jira homepage. 2. Navigate to Boards. From there, go to Boards and click on View All Boards. 3. Select the board. You'll see a list of your active boards. Find the one you want to delete and click on the 3 dots to reveal additional options. 4. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Delete. 5. A pop-up will appear with a warning message. Confirm the deletion by clicking the Delete button. After this, the board will be deleted from Jira, and you'll receive a notification at the bottom of the screen confirming the action. To see the second method of deleting a board in Jira, check our How to Content series, link in the description. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out the channel, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our future content.